Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're going to unbox my favorite accessory. These are the best, fluffiest hair scrunchies, and they're all from Claire's. Now I know what you're probably thinking, isn't Claire's a store for kids and teens? But the answer is no, it's actually such a goldmine for all accessories that you don't want to spend $100 on. These scrunchies all retail for $9.99 US, and they feel so luxurious. Truly much better than a lot of more expensive brands. I even got these on a buy one get one half off sale, so they were all $5. Now this white one is my absolute favorite. I did just get married recently, and this was my staple for the wedding planning process as well as the honeymoon. I did also bring a bunch of these other colors just for a fun switch. I will go ahead and continue showing you the tags so you can look these up in whatever color that you want. This gold one was so luxurious. It just felt very expensive. The pastel blue was also a perfect light touch for a summer evening. This sage green was perfect for welcoming in fall. And of course, the last but absolutely not least, hot pink was perfect for Barbie-core season. Overall, I think these are actually really great gifts. They're great as stocking stuffers, and above all, they are just the solution for the never-ending search for the perfect hair scrunchie. So there you have it, 6 colors of the best scrunchie that I have yet to find. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these or if you have another favorite, and be sure to subscribe.